In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a draw.io diagram in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where your draw.io diagram is located. Next, click Edit if you need to create a new diagram or make changes to an existing one. To add a new diagram, type draw.io and select the draw.io diagram option from the menu. Once the draw.io editor opens, create your diagram using the available shapes, connectors, and formatting tools. If you are editing an existing diagram, make the changes you need within the draw.io editor. As you work, draw.io may automatically save your progress depending on your configuration, but it's still important to complete the save process properly. When you're finished editing, click Save within the draw.io editor to store the latest version of the diagram. The diagram will then be inserted or updated on your Confluence page. After returning to the page editor, review the diagram to make sure all changes appear correctly. Once everything looks good, click Publish to save the Confluence page itself. Your draw.io diagram will now be stored directly within Confluence and available for viewing and future editing by authorized users. And that's it. You've successfully saved a draw.io diagram in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.